Okay, so now we want the functionality where we can actually edit and update a product. So we're going to have to add this through our state. So I'm going to start off with constants, product constants, and let's copy these. And we're going to replace create here with update. And then let's go to our product reducer. And I'm going to copy the last reducer here, which is create. And let's paste that in and change this to product update reducer. And in the product update reducer, I'm going to set in the state here just an empty product object. And let's change all of this to update. So return loading true. Excuse me. And then here, the product update success, this can actually stay the same. And then on fail, that can stay the same. And reset, we just want to add in here the product, which is an empty object. All right. So let's just make sure we bring these in. Okay, let's add that reducer to the store. So I'll go right under product create reducer and let's bring in update reducer and add that down here. So product update. Okay, now we want to create our action. So let's go to product actions. And I'm just going to bring in what we just created. So we want update update request. Where is that? Did I not add that to the constants? Product update request. Okay. Product update request. There it is. All right, so product update success, product update reset, and product update fail. So we'll bring those in, and let's go down to the bottom here, and I'm going to copy create product, and let's paste that in. And this is going to be our update product. So let's change the name of this to update. And then we're going to pass in the product and call our request here, which is going to be update request. And then here we're going to add our content type to the header. And our token. And then the endpoint that we want to hit is going to be a put request. And it's going to be to API products and then the ID, which we can get from the product that's passed in. I'm going to get the ID, and we want to pass in here, instead of an empty object, we want to pass in the product. Okay, then we have our update success, which passes the data, and our update fail. So let's save this, and now we'll go back to our product edit screen, and let's bring in from the actions update product, and we're going to want to get from the state product update. So I'm going to grab this, and we're going to change product details to product update, and what we want to get from that is loading error and product, but we already have that from the details. So let's rename loading update, error update, product. Actually, we'll call this. Actually, you know what? I don't think. No, we don't need that. We just need success. So success, and we'll call this success update. All right. So now that we have those values, let's go back down into our use effect, and I'm going to wrap. Let's go right here and let's say if success update. So if success update, then we want to call the product update reset. So let's dispatch here type with product update reset. And let's make sure we bring that in. And then right after that, we're going to redirect to product list. So history dot push, and we want to go to /admin/product list. And then here we're going to have an else, and that's where we're going to do this stuff here. So I'm going to just grab this whole thing, cut that, and put that in the else. And then we want to add success update here. Okay, so that should do it. Now we may have an error for the update. So right here, error update. We also want to check for loading update. So down below, let's go right here and let's say if loading update, then we want to show the loader, and if there's a error, so our error update, then we want to show message. And inside here, we're going to show error update. Okay, and then the last thing we have to do is just, on our submit handler, we have to call the update product action. So let's get rid of that. And we want to dispatch update product, and then we're going to create the object here. So the object will have an underscore ID of the product ID, which is coming from the URL, and then name, price. So this is all form fields from the component state, brand, category, description, and also count in stock. Okay, so save that. Let's look down here. Count in stock. Count in stock? No, we want count in stock. And product update reset is defined but never used. Where is that? Oh, I brought that into actions. So product actions, we don't actually use the reset here. So we can get rid of this. And we should be all set. Let's try it out. So I'm going to actually delete this sample one here. And let's say we want to create a new product. And I'll just call this, I don't know, car stereo. And price 100. So image, right now it's just a text field, but like I said, we're going to do the image upload. We're probably going to do that in the next video. Sample brand, we'll change that to Pioneer. So you have 10 in stock, category, electronics, and sample description, we'll say cool car stereo. All right, so let's click update, and there it is. Okay, so we're now able to create products and delete them, view them. What we want to do next, though, is instead of just having a text field for our image, we want to have a file upload button so that we can actually upload the image and use that instead. Not instead, but in addition. I want to have both options. Okay, so we'll do that next.